Welcome everyone, I'm Chris Mullins, District Forester for the Kansas Forest Service, and today I want to be talking to you about 5 of my favorite trees from our conservation tree list that really benefit wildlife, in particular deer. Just a disclaimer, some of these trees can't be planted throughout the whole entire state, so if you want to check to see which tree is right for your soil type, please contact your local district forester or visit our website at www.kansasforest.org. All right, let's get this list started. All right, coming at number 5 is the swamp white oak. This is a tree that is found from the central to the eastern part of the state. Really likes riparian and wet areas. It is a moderate to fast growing tree. The acorn is extremely sweet, but the only negative I have about this tree, it does take about 20 years for it to reach maturity. So this is a tree you'd want to plant for your kids and your grandkids to enjoy later down the road. Coming at number 4 is the red mulberry, the big guy behind me. This tree is found throughout the majority of the state. It is a faster growing tree and it starts producing fruit about that 3 to 4 year range. The fruit is awesome for wildlife, deer, and humans, and the deer love the new shoots and the new sprouts and the new leaves from the red mulberry. It's a great firewood tree, great windbreak tree, great wildlife habitat tree in general. Coming in number 3 is the Chinkapin Oak. The Chinkapin Oak is found from the central to the eastern part of the state, has a moderate to fast growth rate, and it really starts producing acorns about that 5 to 8 year range. The acorns start dropping in September to early October, so this makes a great deer tree and a great wildlife tree in general. Coming in number 2 is the Sawtooth Oak. This tree is found from the central to the eastern part of the state, has a faster growth rate comparatively speaking for an oak, and it is a fast acorn producer. It starts producing acorns around that 4 to 6 year range, and it is one of those trees that good luck beating the squirrels and the raccoons and the possums to that acorn because they pick it up and vacuum it up like crazy. The only negative I have about the Sawtooth Oak is it does hold on to its leaves a little bit later in the year and sometimes can break up in the ice. Otherwise, it's a great all-around deer tree. Coming in number 1 isn't an oak at all. It is the persimmon tree, which is found from the central to the eastern part of the state. It has a moderate growth rate and it starts producing fruit about 5 to 9 years of age, even sooner if you get a grafted version of the persimmon. The persimmon fruit in general has a sweet, nutty flavor to it, and it starts to get ripe late September all the way to early November, depending on the weather. So that is why the persimmon is the number 1 tree for me on the conservation tree list for deer. Just like every habitat manager will tell you, variety is key when it comes to wildlife habitat and deer habitat. So if you have any questions about which trees and shrubs to plant, please contact your local district forester or give us a call. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you around.